So here it is about all the spa we got, like all of these exist. And I'm gonna show you something, so let's get the pen. Oops. So I was living near this one, and it's just so boring place to be at. Don't go there. Really, I tell you, it's bad. And this one at Zurich is boring as well. And I wouldn't recommend that one. I want to go to because it says Solbad. Lots of salt. And I was at this place a lot when I traveled, and it's such a boring station. It makes you depressed. So I was living nearby this one, which is like very small and all. You don't really get there easy. So I wouldn't recommend this one. And that one is like old school, Leukobad. So I wouldn't recommend. Everybody goes to there or this one, Zurzach. So I wouldn't recommend this one. And so the cities have to go as well. So then the good ones remain. I wouldn't go to faraway places either, because they're always very expensive. So I would go to places like Konstanz, nearby the big lake. Or I would go, Bernacqua is a city as well. I wouldn't recommend a city, because a city, how can a city offer good water, right? So you have to have a mix, like a little bit out of the crazy city, but also not too far away of anything, so it doesn't get too expensive. Because like on there, where was it? La, la, la. Here, this one is very small. It's difficult to get there, far away, and it's really expensive. There is no, like, you spend a lot of money, so when you get there you have to be sure that there aren't a lot of people. Otherwise you paid a lot, you traveled forever, and then you are pissed off because you have to share the water with the people. So yes, now you have the pictures. So the ones that I was recommend, that one is the one I wouldn't recommend. I mean, if this one is the best picture you can get with all the houses all around, so you don't need to go there. The one I recommended is kind of this one with a boring station. This one is far away, probably expensive, so this one I recommend because it's a big one, it's a new one, and it's not too far off. You can easily get there. This city was so boring, like that one, I tell you. It was just so boring, and you have no view. It's in the flat valley, this one. Yeah. I wouldn't know. Oh, I know this so-called Hürlimann Brauerei. Ages ago you could get water from a fountain, so people would go there and get their mineral water from the fountain. So now there you have a... Ooh, I didn't know. Because Zurich is so crowded, I just wrote to somebody I want to go to a swimming place indoors. But from my place I could go to Zurich, or I could go to St. Gallen. And since in Zurich all the indoor swimming pools are so crowded, even at weekends, you just don't find a place like to put your things and to swim. It's horrible. I was for 2 months every day for an hour in Zurich, the city indoor swimming pool. And it was always crowded. At certain days, like when the women were in the sauna, it was even more crowded. I tell you. And in the morning, 6 or 7 o'clock, it was that the police was mainly swimming there. So it was all empty, kind of. You could go there at 6 o'clock with no one in the pool, but hey, at 6 o'clock. So yeah, this one is very famous. So I wouldn't go there because all the elderly people, they don't go through these booklets. They just go where they have went to ever since. So you would run into these elderly people. So from here on, it's a new topic. So I'll start anew.